Are you looking for the best wireless earbuds? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best wireless earbuds on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nothing Ear, A. It has taken a lot for me to recommend a pair of ostensible AirPods Pro clones as the best earbuds for most people, but that speaks to just how much I actually like the Nothing Ear, A. These stylish little yellow earbuds come in a sleek clear charging case, and they have excellent sound and decent noise cancellation for under $100 retail. I liked how easily they paired with Android and iOS devices and that the lightweight, compact design helped them stay comfortable during longer listening sessions. The larger, more expensive Nothing Ear are also good, but they don't quite match the Ear, A's svelte figure. Usability is excellent. These have some of the best touch controls I've used on a pair of earphones, and you'll get 5.5 hours of listening time with noise cancelling blocking out the world around you. You can even dive into the app to customize the EQ if, for example, you want to hear dialogue better when streaming your favorite movies. Specs. Connectivity Bluetooth 5.3. Battery life, ANC, 5.5 hours, 24.5 with case. Water/dust resistance IP54. Number 2. SoundPEATS Capsule3 Pro Plus. SoundPEATS isn't a household name, but the company has been killing it lately when it comes to offering fantastic sound for the money. In his review, Wired editor Parker Hall gave the Capsule3 Pro Plus a rare 10 out of 10, based largely on their astonishing sound performance. The secret is their mix of a traditional dynamic driver and a next-gen XMEMS driver that combine for vivid detail and rich bass. Android users can access Sony's LDAC high-resolution audio support for even better fidelity. Their AirPods clone design isn't exactly inspiring, but the buds finish the package with solid noise cancelling, IPX4 water resistance, and a handy app for control and settings adjustments. If you're after the best sound you can buy for under $100, look no further. Ryan Waniata. Specs. Connectivity Bluetooth 5.3. Battery life, ANC, 6.5 hours, 43 with case. Water/dust resistance IPX4. Number 3. Apple AirPods Pro 3. Apple's AirPods Pro 3, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, solidify their status as the best-selling headphones for good reason. They remain the easiest, most integrated buds for iOS users, now with crucial upgrades. The design is subtly refined for a more universal fit, aided by new phone-lined ear tips that improve comfort and passive noise isolation. Key improvements include a much-needed battery life boost to 8 hours and an enhanced IP57 rating for greater durability. New features like real-time translation and surprisingly accurate heart rate monitoring, powered by robust software support, are very nice to have. The bass-heavy sound profile favors pop music, but the active noise cancelling is class-leading, effectively silencing even high-pitched distractions. While competitors like Sony and Bose offer compelling alternatives, the AirPods Pro 3 provide an unmatched seamless experience for the Apple ecosystem. For iPhone owners, they are the definitive choice and a worthy upgrade, especially for those dealing with aging batteries from older models. Specs. Connectivity Bluetooth 5.3. Battery life, ANC, 8 hours, 24 with case. Water/dust resistance IP57. Number 4. Google Pixel Buds Pro 2. Google's Pixel Buds Pro 2 are itty-bitty earbuds that pair perfectly with whatever Android phone you have. They're super comfortable, have excellent noise cancelling, and boast much better battery life, 8 hours, than the comparable AirPods Pro. You can choose between digital assistants and even open Google's Gemini Live conversational AI with the catchphrase "Hey Google, let's talk." Sound quality is among the best in the category, with clear highs and a nice helping of punch in the bass without being overwhelming. They're also IP54 rated, which makes them a carefree addition to your gym bag. Specs. Connectivity Bluetooth 5.4. Battery life, ANC, 8 hours, 30 with case. Water/dust resistance IP54. Number 5. Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 Earbuds. Bose claims that its latest flagship headphones have the best noise reduction on the planet, and after a few weeks with the QuietComfort Ultra 2, I'm inclined to agree. The comfortable elephant trunk shape pairs with silky silicone ear tips to provide excellent passive noise isolation, akin to a pair of earplugs, which combine with active noise-canceling tech to provide true silence. You'll have a hard time hearing anything but the highest-pitched noises with ANC on, and the built-in dynamic drivers do a great job putting music on top. The latest model comes with a wireless charging case and some new and exciting spatial audio features, particularly great when watching movies on flights, which make these some of the best earbuds for business travelers. Call and Zoom quality, likewise, is excellent. Specs: connectivity Bluetooth 5.4. Battery life, ANC, 7 hours, 24 with case. Water/dust resistance IP55.